It is Skincare Layering 101. I promise it's not gonna feel overwhelming. I just wanted to kind of get back to basics to help you on your skincare journey. Hello lovelies, welcome back to On The Glow. I'm Muna and you're here to discover your glow through skincare, beauty, and wellness, and I've got you covered. In this video, we're going to simplify skincare and we're gonna start with the basics. I have 5 very easy steps for you guys to follow and you can build from there. I will share how to layer your skincare, the basics to a good skincare routine, what to use, and how to use it all to help you on your skincare journey. I want you guys first to hit that like button as well as subscribe to my channel because I love you guys so much and I just love what I do. So let's start in the order of our skincare routine. Step 1, cleansers. Now this is the base for really good skincare. Cleansers have a purpose of cleaning your face. It helps remove makeup, excess sebum, sweat. You've got SPF, the dead skin cells, and it really just helps create a clean slate for applying the rest of your products. There are a variety, like a ton of different types of cleansers out there for you. You have oil cleansers, gel cleansers, foam cleansers, cream cleansers, micellar water. There's a lot for you to look at, and actually I'm gonna share with you a chart right here that really kind of shows what type of cleansers to use depending on your skin type. My favorite part, I get to share some of my product suggestions, a lot of which I'll share with you are clean skincare brands. The first one here is Korres, and this is called the Foaming Cream Cleanser, and this has pre and probiotics using real Greek yogurt. What I love about this is that it's creamy, it's hydrating, but it really helps get rid of all those impurities and deeply cleanses the skin. So this is a must-have. The next product here is a cleanser that I rave about on social media, especially on my Instagram account. And this is the Ceramic Slip Cleanser by Sunday Riley. This cleanser is super nice. It's a really lightweight, gentle cleanser, like a creamy gel cleanser. And it's beautiful because it's meant for all skin types. Now for step 2 is toner. And this really helps get rid of the skin's impurities. So this is wonderful at sort of exfoliating and kind of help rebalancing your pH levels. It also provides better absorption for all the fun stuff like serums and moisturizers to come in your next steps of your skincare routine. So there are lots of products out in the market. What I could suggest are a couple of things, like you can look out for chemical exfoliants, chemical toners. On to product suggestions. Under the category of toner, we have here Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So this is a skin resurfacing toner, which helps exfoliate, it helps brightens, tightens, hydrates for a smooth, even look. Then we have a physical exfoliator. This is a wonderful example and super affordable brand. This is by Good Molecules, and this is a pineapple exfoliating powder. There are pineapple enzymes in here that really help brighten and even out your skin tone. It is a water activated product, so you need to pour a little bit in your hands and then add water and then gently exfoliate. It's soft enough to use. It's wonderful. So never be so abrasive in terms of using these kind of physical type exfoliators. Be very gentle on your skin, but the texture of it is super soft. I love this one. There's definitely a benefit to using toners. When you do this regularly, it will help stimulate collagen production, tighten and firm your skin, as well as improve the texture of your skin. Serums are lightweight. They are normally sort of a watery, gel-like consistency to it. It's wonderful because they're also concentrated, so it really helps address your main skincare concerns. They really help penetrate and go deeply within the skin, especially when you complement it with like a toner to help exfoliate, and then you go in with the serum. It is a wonderful combination. There are a lot of choices with serums, and you will find that a lot of them address certain skincare needs and concerns, from anti-aging, hydration, so on and so forth. Antioxidants like vitamin C are a wonderful ingredient that's incorporated within serums. So speaking of vitamin C, I have been using this product by Melanie Simon, and this is called Serum C. This is a highly potent, highly concentrated vitamin C serum. The main purpose of this is really good for all skin types, but it really helps those who are suffering from fine lines, uneven skin. Vitamin C to me has been a massive game changer in the sense of helping even out my hyperpigmentation over here and acne marks and scars. This has been wonderful to use. I use this, I would say 4 times a week in the morning. And then obviously I layer it on with my other products, and I definitely use SPF, because if you're gonna be exposed to the sun, you really wanna make sure that you wear SPF when you put vitamin C. This is the Hyaluronic Sea Serum, and this is like this ooey gooey, beautiful texture that just feels ultra hydrating on the face. This has hyaluronic acid, which really helps restore and retain that moisture. It really helps with, you know, smooth, even, soft, supple skin. This is just a really, really beautiful product. I love it. I really do, and I love Osea. So this is just a wonderful product to have. So this is another example of a serum that you can add within your skincare routine. Step number 4, moisturizers. Now, in this case, I like to bundle up face creams and eye creams, but ultimately what these moisturizers do for you, these creams do for you, is to help lock in that hydration and make sure that your skin stays very hydrated, very soft and supple throughout the day. So when I approach the type of moisturizers that I incorporate within my skincare routine, I kind of look at it from my personal skincare needs and as well as environmental factors. So in the winter, fall winter, our skin tends to really soak up that hydration, leaving us dry, and I would tend to go for more thicker creams, heavier moisturizers, whereas in the spring, summer, we tend to overproduce oil, well, at least for me. So I'll go for more of those lighter creams or those gel-like creams, and I have a few suggestions for you guys. I have here by Juice Beauty the oil-free moisturizer. It's lightweight, but definitely hydrating and gentle to use. It has ingredients like algae, organic pomegranate, and aloe. So it's really beautiful to use on a daily basis. I love using this in the morning because it gives you that matte finish. This has just been a wonderful add-on within my skincare routine. Okay, you guessed it, Osea again, but I just love the range. And this one right here is Osea's Blemish Balm. I have been mainly using this at night, and I love this because it helps clarify the skin. It helps balance the hydration within my skin. This product is meant for like oily, blemish prone combination skin, so it's not really meant for all, but if you are tackling any of those things I mentioned, this is wonderful. I've definitely enjoyed it. As you can see, I'm almost done this bottle. Step 5 is to protect your skin with SPF. Now, SPF is meant to be used daily. You can obviously skip that within your nighttime routine, but this is probably the most important, crucial step of your skincare routine. SPF, without a doubt, will protect your skin from many environmental factors. I would opt for formulas that has SPF 30 and higher. You can also be savvy by finding moisturizers that have SPF already in it, as well as layering that up with, let's say, CC creams, foundations that have SPF. There are just ample variety out there for SPF. And in fact, I'm actually looking at doing a video dedicated to Sun Care 101. I can't wait to share that with you guys. And there I will have tons of product suggestions for you guys. If you like that, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Wow, that was a lot of content for you guys. That was a lot to really delve into, but I really hope that you found a much more simpler approach to really tackle what that skincare routine is like. My 5 basic steps, which starts off with cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, and then protecting your skin with SPF. Really simple. And from there you can build on that, and I'll have tons more videos to really help and complement you on your skincare journey. It has been an absolute pleasure, guys. Thank you so much, because to me this is what I love, and I just learn and feel inspired by you guys to do all things skincare, beauty, and wellness. So happy for you guys to be part of this journey with me. Please give this video a like, as well as subscribe to my channel. Love you guys so much. Stay blessed, and remember, keep glowing.